Hello, so some pre-cup again, and I'm going to be opening 9 Gomu today. I got a 2-pack and a 6-pack. I'll show you the next one. I'm just going to close the door. Sorry about the noise in the background, that's my dogs. Yeah, so the Gomu I have at the moment are these. And these are the 2 packets I'm going to open. Not sure if you can see those or not. Yeah. I'm not going to be bothered to do Gomu points either. Yeah. Packet number 1, the 6-pack. What I hope I got. I'm hoping that I get a gold or silver trophy. So I'm having a bit of trouble opening this one. For some reason, it's harder than the other one that I opened. The other ones that I've opened. Okay. So what I got was. So this is what I got. Okay, I got the red keyboard, the pink puppy, the yellow camera, and the translucent bucket and shovel. I'm not sure if you were able to see that or not. Sorry if you weren't. So particularly I got the keyboard. That was the red keyboard. The purple puppy, yellow camera, and the translucent bucket. First one is the ring. Second one is what's it called? This thing, hair straightener, I think. So that's what I got. Now, just gonna have a look. I know the ring's a rare one, even though it's a common one, but it has a star at the back of it, so I know it's rare. And then there's things. Okay. Yeah, the other ones aren't really rares, but who cares? As long as I don't have doubles. Okay, here's a 2-pack. The visible ones are the green camera, and the green laptop, and the yellow saxophone. I think it is saxophone anyways. Also, I noticed most people think the keyboard is actually a piano, but they're 2 different things because I play the keyboard, as you know. So hopefully I don't have doubles. Okay, here's the yellow saxophone. Here's the green laptop, which also has this disc right here that can come out, as you can see. You might not be able to see it, but see that opens out and goes in. Yeah. So now my secret eraser is the blue inflatable crocodile, which is a rare. It's the common of the rares, but it's still a rare. So now all my Gomus are this, 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 just saying this everyone, this, 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 and this. I think I did this yellow puppy twice, but I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm so far opened 4 of them, and my rarest, I've opened 4 of the packets, and my rarest I got my first packet, which is this. And so yeah, that was my Gomu opening pack video. Be sure to look forward to my next video if possible. Yeah, so bye.